chest. I want to chop your heart. Never did it back on the street. Open up, make us feel. Yeah, my love want to make a bad man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith, and I'm here with a new video. Today I will be doing an updated Printful account setup video for you guys. It's been about 2 years since I did the last one. Much has changed. I wanted to do an updated video. I'm going to show you guys how to create an account with Printful, your first product, and then I'm going to order that product and come back and do an unboxing for you guys as well. When you first get to the Printful website, there's so much important information on that first page. So make sure you just scroll down and check it out. It tells you a lot about what Printful is, who they serve, some of the products that they have. You should make sure you check out just to gain some knowledge about the site. I can recommend them. They are in my top 5 print-on-demand sites. But you should always do your own research when you are starting something new or looking for different websites. The first thing that I'm going to do is use the sign up button above here. I'm going to go ahead and put in my information to sign up with my email. Once you go ahead and put your information in, go ahead and agree to the terms. If you would like to go ahead and read that and the privacy policy, click that button and go ahead and hit sign up. Tell us about yourself. So they just want to know, what would you like to do with Printful? Most of you might be new, so the first thing you're going to say is, I want to start my first online business. I'm going to go ahead and hit grow my existing business, and it says, what's your annual revenue? I'm going to go ahead and choose the first one, and I'm going to hit finish. We are now in Printful, and it wants us to go ahead and go to our email to confirm. I'm going to go over to my email, and there is my Printful email. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I confirm my email address. My email is now confirmed, and it is telling me welcome. And here is something that is amazing. Get up to $50 in bonuses when you launch your store in January. No excuses to get your business starting. So if you want to check that out, go ahead and hit the get started button. And then it gives you these steps so you can make sure that you connect and get everything right from designing your first product. I'm going to go ahead and click design your first product. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to hit design product. You can pick a product and add a design. So I just want to go ahead and create a new product. What I am looking for is women's clothing, and I am looking for all over print stuff. Let's check out some of the bottoms to see if we have any all over print bottoms that we can check out. You know, I'm feeling like working out. We have the all over print yoga shorts here that are $16. Then they have the all over print shorts that are $12. So let's go ahead and check these out. I'm going to go ahead and grab my file. This is for my print-on-demand site, Crypto Cloud. I just recently talked about it on my new weekly print-on-demand recap podcast episode that will drop every Monday for the next 52 weeks. I am going to be working on growing that print-on-demand business out. I already have a design for that company. So this is letting you know, hey, you are uploading stuff that is yours and you have legal use. I really am obsessed with clouds. So this is all my own photos that I take in my front yard, backyard, when I'm on a plane, kind of just anywhere. I use that for all of my crypto cloud stuff. I'm going to go ahead and upload that. Let me check and see what that file is looking like. They want me to use something larger, but for right now, you know, that looks good. You can go ahead and hit the mock-up view to see what that looks like. I'm going to go ahead and pick white for the threading for that. Here's just a mock-up of what these pants will look like. Then I'm going to hit up that inside label. I'm going to upload my logo here. I'm going to stretch that out so that it fits. Everything looks good. I'm going to hit continue. And I am going to name this Crypto Cloud Shorts. We got the white stitch. It has a picture of my files. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit save product template. We're going to go ahead and add this to the store, but I need to connect a store. So I'm not sure that I've done an Etsy store for this. What I am not going to do yet is add it to anything, but I will create an order for this because I have done the first thing We are not connecting the store yet. I have my product template, and this is my product. And I'm going to go ahead and click make an order. This is not going to be a sample order. It's just going to be me creating a basic order for this product that I just created. I'm going to go with an extra large just to be on the safe side. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue, have my product here, have everything, and it says continue to shipping. And then you're going to put all of your information in here. I have my shipping address and information in there. The total came out to $24.56. So I'm going to order these shorts, and then we are going to wait for it to come. This is my first all over print item that I've done. I've showed you guys the first step of creating an account and ordering your first sample. In the next couple of videos to come, I'm going to show you how to sign up for an Etsy shop, how to connect your Etsy shop to Printful, and how to add the products to your store. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick video. Don't worry, it might feel like a lot has been left out, but I will be back with a new video. So until next time.